Hi there, and welcome to a new live stream. I thought I'd do, well, it's almost 11 p.m., late night stream, which I'm gonna use for some housekeeping in the app. Like, that means like simple tasks where I got some to do noted down inside the file, or just some formatting work. So let's have a look at how the app currently looks like. I switched to dark mode, and I'm quite happy with it actually. Quite content. Room switching works for the graph view now as well. Vault has nothing in it, I guess. Is that correct? Probably, yes. Browsing has something in it. Moving doesn't work. Like moving multiple cubes at the same time doesn't work. Let's see whether this is the case for all of the cubes. Ah, yeah. Seems to be something selection controller dependent. That moving multiple doesn't work. I see. Tidy up the to-do list a little bit. And here it's selection controller issue, I guess. Moving multiple cubes at the same time outside of initial room doesn't work. Right, but now going for the low-hanging fruits at this time of day. Gray out button when no, oh, this selection controller dependent. Yeah, let's just go over the files and tidy them up a little bit. Starting with the app.py file. Like stuff like this one. Uh, Files from import little resources, import files. Cube deck. I wonder what that files function does. Main py. All right. Init py. What's this? Seems to be for the packaging. Email. Let's add my full name in here and my email address. Like I'm using some proxy address. that I don't know by heart. Classifiers, development status, production stable. No, that's wrong. Classifiers, I need to look those up. Project classifiers, pipe project Toml. Development status. I want something really low. 2 pre-alpha. There was a German character there, kind of a German one. License. Yeah, let's remove the or later part. Intended audience. It uses desktop right. Topic. Utilities. Desktop environment. Sounds right. Maybe this one. Programming language Python, yes. Operating system POSIX Linux. Yeah. Anything else that sounds interesting? Framework, maybe. They don't have Qt Quick. Yeah, let's leave it like that. This is what to do. A pipe project. Tom will write that one. Okay. Good enough. And those here I wonder whether new files are added automatically. For example, the animations. I think that was one of the last, or the graph view room. Yeah, they seem to be added automatically. Easier. Okay. Let's go to base app. This is so confusing. This can't be the best way. Which one? This one? I guess. Seems fine to me. Let's confirm the binding is broken here. Alright, seems to require a return. Let's confirm that. Like a return where the cursor right now is. No, seems to work, even without return. Let's see. Yeah, it works without return. I mean that the return statement that was just Opus 4.6, Claude Opus 4.6, that suggested this is a very basic JavaScript thing. I don't know, man. uh, what's this settings page? Further up. That's a very old one. Yeah, very old one. It's larger to do. If the base what's the application window? read the screen resolution first to determine on boot to determine application window size. And first every boot. Toolbar. I don't know what is this. Let's try it out. Action toolbar action height mode, toolbar layout always center. I don't know what that is. Let's have a look at the docs. Style. That's the one. What's toolbar action height mode? Oh, okay, I see. Always center. Yeah, that's cute. Align center. I don't know why I picked this one here. Seems to be wrong. Let's see, align center. I mean, I like how it currently looks like, but I'm interested in how it looks like with something else. It doesn't seem to change anything. Probably C++ stuff. Align center is a two-dimensional flag. Probably need align each center if I want to center it horizontally. Wait, toolbar action height mode. I've been using toolbar action alignment. Toolbar action height mode doesn't exist currently anymore. I don't know. Toolbar action alignment. Yeah, so they are aligned left, which doesn't look good at all. Let's have a look at align each center. Question being, what is the more common? Also, I'm wasting space here for the title of the room. But was specifically this space is wasted. Can't be used for the title. It's looking very classy, the centered one. I will make this a setting. Wasted 58 exactly. What happens if it's 55? Nothing. Well, 58 does look good. And it's just as compact as possible, I think. Without, one element cutting into another. Yeah, it's still very compact. Let's make that 59. Maybe there's some default value or recommended value. In the guidelines, maybe. 59 looks a bit better. Yep. For now, let's make that align right. Separate visible apparently used to be a bug, but now it's not anymore. Yeah. Used to be the same way in the Kirikami gallery, apparently. That's why I thought it's a upstream bug. What's this page tag default column width? Don't need that anymore. Column view. Column resize mode. How does it behave at the moment? It's just, yeah. Now let's comment this out. Check again. Less flickering, I guess. No, not really. Anyway, I'd say it's better this way. Just because this seems to be code that is not needed. In 6.16, I have no idea which version I'm on. For column resizing, that's to do for a point in time that is far away. Not so far away, but far away. Page tag default column width, not needed. And then we are at the global draw. Set the title cell permanently. Title. I think I'm manually adding the title, not using the title attribute here. Yeah, but I mean, it's good to have this in mind, how like the default font size. I want to, not deviate from this too much. Let's change the font size a little bit. Okay, it seems to be 14. I don't know, say 13.5. That looks about right. Title icon. Yeah, under non-GPL license. Yeah, intro. I really like the intro font. I think it's lacking some, international non-Roman characters that are important. So that's why it's not more frequently used in a Linux world. But yeah, maybe in the future for a custom theme of mine, use interfont as default font. Microma font, that's nothing for here, but it really looks cool. Let's have a look at Microma font. Uh, oh, okay, it's not installed in this VM. Yo. Version background. Um, to set programmatically. Theme background color. Is that all right? This one? Yeah, it is. Set it permanently to overlay style. I don't know what that means. Actions. You can borrow those actions. For example, auto, breadcrumb, titles, toolbar. View list icon, memory, top bar style. Ah, okay, got that. The global toolbar style. The Kirigami action. Ah, yeah, okay. Can just, I think these are from Kirigami Gallery. These here. Yes. So if I need those, I can look them up in Kirigami Gallery. Don't need to have them in here commented out. Page stack layers push. I want to see how that looks like. I've kind of forgot how the layer looks like. The about element. Okay, so the drawer closes and you get this thingy here. I can go back, I guess. Yes, that's cool. How does it look like with two pages open? Okay, it covers the whole thing. Yeah, that's cool. I like that. Old footer with cubes label and version info. Is cubes a sense of trailer? No, not really. Is it? I don't know. Like, can I put in the version info of cubes there? And the name and the logo? Let's not do that. Page stack, initial page component. On is dark mode changed. All right, tidied up. What's this thing? Debug and testing? Probably some Kirigami gallery page. I don't know. Manager settings layer. Let's remove that. Qubes settings page. Right. Oh. That should be a view and be inside the components. And it is already inside the components. Qubes settings here. Then I wonder what that thing is. Let's have a look at the file change date. November last year. Yeah, I can delete that. I mean, Qubes settings, when has that been touched last? 24th of April this year. Okay, let's remove it. Okay, cool. I think I'm gonna leave it at that. So save all. Saved. And take a sip of my tea. Yeah, and I don't feel like I am able to do anything at the code base now. So I'm gonna end the live stream now. Thank you for watching, and until next time. Bye bye.